AVoIPoE. I'm here at the Peerless Show, and I'm here with Stefan Roulet. How are you, Stefan?
Hi, I'm very well, thank you. Thank you for recording this video. Give us the opportunity to talk about our solutions here at Peerless. So today we've got on show three main solutions, starting with Panta Rhei, the Ashton Bentley product portfolio, and our ZV AVoIPoE product line. So starting with Panta Rhei, actually with us, we've got Matt Hales, our champion for the Panta Rhei systems. So I'm just going to hand up the microphone to him quickly to let him talk about it very briefly. Matt, over to you.
Thank you, Stefan. So I'm here at the Peerless Show demonstrating Panta Rhei, which is Greek for everything flows. In an AV environment, that's what you want. And this is our new remote management and monitoring platform. So you can monitor and manage your AV systems remotely. And it's extremely affordable and competitive as well. So come and talk to us about Panta Rhei. I'll show you its features.
So, Stefan, we're here at an acquisition you made last year, Ashton Bentley.
Absolutely.
Tell us a bit more about what they do in terms of furniture and what they provide for Kramer.
Okay, so, well, thanks for the question. Actually, Ashton Bentley is more than the furniture. To me, it revolves around three pillars. So you mentioned the furniture, yes, but it's mainly a technology company. And we actually have a whole system revolving around USB-C and HDMI to provide the right connectivity for the meeting rooms. So we have sets of extenders, switches, and obviously we can give more information after the show for those who are interested, but it's a very important part of the system. And then in addition to the furniture, I would say that it's not just simple furniture. It's actually designed very cleverly where you don't need tools. So you can deploy this system very, very quickly, whether it's a huddle space, whether it's a system for a medium room or a larger room. Ashton Bentley is covering pretty much everything. So the aim with this is to deliver a room package. So with that in mind, we keep it agnostic. The chassis are the third pillar of the Ashton Bentley systems. So there's single or dual presentation systems. So the chassis will be matching that element. But then the video conferencing systems that people want to use, it doesn't have to be a Kramer system. It can be anything, right? So if you're working with a Poly, with Neats, with whoever you want to engage with, then obviously this is open as a system, which is an agnostic system. So it's very important to remember those three pillars: the furniture, the technology, and the display mount element of it. And I would add something is that since joining Kramer, I've noticed the interest from the end users, specifically on the corporate side, but also governments. And Roger Mercado, who's one of the two founders of the Ashton Bentley system, used to work at Barclays, used to be the head of AV for Barclays globally. So the system has been designed from an end user perspective rather than a manufacturer perspective, telling the market what to do. So it's been done the other way around, which is extremely important. And I invite most end users to actually inquire about it if they haven't done so already.
Let's move on to the final acquisition of last year. One of the more interesting ones is the acquisition of ZV, who are obviously leaders in SDVoE and AVoIPoE technology. So give us a bit of a rundown on ZV.
Okay, so Kramer, we do already have our own AVoIP product line with the KDS line. But with the acquisition of ZV, it makes sense because of the markets that we're both addressing, and the fact that also the ZV solution has got a very unique system with the ZyPer Management platform, which allows users to actually manage their AVoIP devices, the connections and the IP routing in a very, very effective way and simple way. And I would like to say that this platform doesn't necessarily have to be for Kramer devices or ZV devices. It can apply to other systems as well. But you're right in saying that the ZV system is mainly the SDVoE and the 10 gig applications, although there is also solutions for 1 gig and the JPEG codec. So yes, so very good acquisition indeed.
I've said this before, and one thing comes to mind is that this leads a lot of ways into providing a total end-to-end solution with these three offerings here.
That's
Really,
right.
the only thing that's missing, I'd say, is displays.
Yeah,
Everything
yeah,
else,
yeah,
you've
that's
really
right.
looked after everything else.
That's right. We are keeping away from displays and cameras. We've got a few, but the displays is something we're not getting involved with. We can make recommendations. Obviously, we work with the whole of the industry, and it's important for us to remain agnostic. Although Kramer is an end-to-end manufacturer, we do cover, like you're saying, it's very unique. There isn't that many companies who can actually claim to be end-to-end, but we do cover quite a lot. And we are here to deliver room packages, IP and AV distribution over HDBaseT, and cover collaboration, control, and connectivity in the room. So there is an all array of solutions with Kramer, so it makes us a unique brand.
And how important is that integration piece? Because, you've gone in some ways, because most people would have thought that through these acquisitions, the idea would have been to push Kramer, but clearly that isn't the strategy. The strategy is to stay agnostic. The strategy is to make sure that everyone understands that they can either work independently or with other vendor partners. That vendor partnership, how important is that for Kramer?
So by introducing solutions such as Panta Rhei, which we covered previously, this is a great example of the work that we are putting in on the third-party integration. We want to work with the industry, okay? Not just push Kramer solutions and proprietary solutions. Of course, we do have our own solutions, but they are also to be integrated with others, because we know that end users will look at different brands, different solutions, and we want to be part of it. And so being agnostic allows us to actually do this. So whether it's for the Ashton Bentley kit, whether it's for the Panta Rhei kit, we are here to work with the other members of this industry. And so I invite most people to actually come and talk to us about it.
Brilliant. And once again, let the people know where they can go to find out more information.
They can come directly to us. So reach out to your local regional manager, reach out to the Kramer office, or connect with us to do events. We're always pretty much at all the events. This one here at Peerless, we were at ISC, we're Infocom, we're pretty much everywhere. And then obviously there's always the social media for those who want to use this media to reach us.
Brilliant. Stefan, thank you very much. Have a great show.
Thank you.
Come on, y'all remember my name. DJ Woody.